The allure of natural face creams is undeniable. Natural face creams are amazing. They make your skin feel great. They use good ingredients, so you know exactly what's on your skin. Natural creams are good for you. They don't have bad chemicals. They're good for the planet too. So take care of your skin. Navigating the skincare aisle can be a bit overwhelming, but finding the perfect store-bought cream for your skin type is essential. Dry skin needs extra moisture. Look for creams with shea butter. Hyaluronic acid is good too, as it helps your skin hold water. Sensitive skin is tricky. Avoid harsh chemicals and fragrances. Look for creams that are fragrance-free. Aloe vera is calming for sensitive skin. Oily skin needs oil-free options. Choose a light cream or gel. Look for products labeled non-comedogenic. This means they won't clog your pores. Aging skin needs a boost. Look for creams with antioxidants. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant. It helps protect your skin from damage. The joy of DIY skincare is truly rewarding. Making your own face cream is fun. You can customize it to your skin's needs. Plus, it's cost-effective. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. 1/4 cup shea butter, 1/4 cup coconut oil, 2 tablespoons almond oil, and 10 drops of essential oil, which is optional. Melt the shea butter and coconut oil. Let it cool slightly. Add the almond oil and essential oil if using. Whip together until fluffy. Store in a clean jar. Embrace the natural glow with natural face creams. They nourish your skin with goodness. They're good for you and the planet. Remember to listen to your skin. Find what works best for you. Enjoy the journey to radiant skin.